Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Apple ID if you forgot your password. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. This method is work on all iOS devices and reset your Apple ID password if you forgot your Apple ID password, if you forgot your phone number, if you forgot your email. Simply tap on the settings app. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable or smooth Wi-Fi connection. Tap on the Apple ID section. Little bit scroll up. Tap on sign out. Sign out. You can see appears on screen many options. Tap on forgot password. Tap on it. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Enter new password. Your password must at least character at include a number or uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. Verify your password. Tap on continue. You can see appears on screen your password has been changed. Tap on done. You can see appears on screen. If you want to sign out your Apple ID, sign out, and that's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to reset Apple ID password if you forgot it. If you forgot your Apple ID password, how to reset without computer, without Apple ID password, without email and phone number verification. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.